What's up, boys? Be sure and like and subscribe. I'm gonna go get another LT80 and have this Polaris 90, and we're gonna have this another little showdown between the tiny two-stroke quads. What you should get your kid. So there's this guy that's an LT80 for sale in town. He's a notorious asshole. Like, everybody knows the guy's a prick. So, but he's got a Suzuki for a good price. So sometimes when there's a good deal, you gotta deal with an asshole. So found me this bike on OfferUp. I have a Polaris 90 that I got tuned up as well and stuff, and we're gonna do we're gonna pit them against each other. We're gonna dig a hole, throw them in there, and watch. Only one of them's gonna come out. We used to dig little holes, grab a bead, pull its wings off, put it in the hole, put another one in there, and then one of them, they would sting each other until one of them died. I felt like a real king when I did that, but I was just a little kid. So, anywho, I put them against each other. Like, we got a couple protesters up here, boys. Oh shit! Oh, I better keep an eye on the thermostat. We might have knocked a pinhole in the radiator. Dadgum. This guy here, dudes. I don't know where this guy's at. Are you the guy on OfferUp with the Suzuki?
Yeah. Well, hey, what's with the camera? Dude,
I was just here to
live PD?
I'm not live PD, bro. Bro, I'm not live PD. Dog, I'm not live PD. Why'd he leave? We're at his house. He's gone.
It's over here.
This one's it, right?
No,
it's
this one.
But this was the pit. But that was the picture, though.
Yeah, I know that's the picture, but here they're the same. They're the exact same quad. It's just I didn't want to take another picture. They're the same one. This one's just red.
The 400 or best offer right out. I mean, could you do?
Well, really, that was earlier. So I've had several offers now for like $850. So, I mean, I'll take 9 since you're here. Take it or leave it. I mean, you're the one that drove here, so got things to do.
Damn, for that one. Well, let's see it run. You said it runs, so
yeah.
I'm interested in seeing you.
When I parked
I'm interested in seeing you getting it going real quick for me.
It did when I parked it. It's gonna need the carb clean.
I need to clean the carb.
Yeah. This one's an electronic carb.
So it currently needs a battery as well.
No. Here, I'll put some gas in for you.
Well, I appreciate it so I can see it run.
$1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6.
Well, all right, that's enough. You're gonna charge me for it.
$9, $10. Oh, shop fee, clean up 40. I know you paid me the other money, but you got 45 more for cleanup, please, and fuel
And hazard pay.
And I'm probably gonna buy. You're gonna need a new gas tank. I just cross-threaded this.
Oh, it just roasts the stator naturally. You want a little starting fluid? So you got it figured out?
Yeah, I think I just need to clean this spark plug. There's an actual old-fashioned way in doing it.
You with the county?
Are you with the county?
No.
Don't ask me. You smell that, county?
Did you just smoke that spark plug?
Yeah.
Because I think. So what?
We were at 400 when you came here, and then you wanted this one instead of the original one, just because of you were confused about the pictures, I guess.
This will make it ready to ride, I guess.
Define ready to ride.
Well, like starts and I can ride it.
I mean, probably, maybe.
Maybe, and that's a fact, Jack. What is the sitting back? By golly. Show me that demo.
Oh yeah.
Said now that it's yours, I really want to ride it. Hey, you already paid me, so now I'm gonna see if it'll donut. I pretty much asked for that video when he still owned it, and then the second I paid him for it, He just starts whipping shitties out here like.
That's the cleanest. That's the cleanest $400 Zook you ever did see.
Doing it for racing though. I'm afraid it's a little.
It is a racing one. I don't got the title for it. It's a stunt bike.
I can race it.
It's a stunt bike.
He just might not let me. He tried to burn up my back brake too. Fucking takes out
It wasn't on. It wasn't even on.
Oh, so the clutch is already running.
Yep. You got that bread?
I got like 3 of these at home that I got ripped off on.
Do you
That
get
need rebuilt and stuff.
Do you get the money?
Yeah, I give it to you.
No.
Oh, I paid you for that one, huh?
Yeah.
That was for that one.
Yeah.
Why are we even fiddling with this?
Yeah. I don't care.
So I'll show you guys the original ad. It sure did look like the Suzuki. Don't let him bullshit you.
No, it didn't.
And if he says, "Are you with the county?" say no. If he asks us if you're with the county, say no, because he gets real edgy. I thought it'd be funny to say yeah, and he disappeared for like an hour and a half. So I had to call him and be like, "Dude, it was Jared. Sunglasses on." He didn't believe me. He's like, "That's what the county would say."
Well, I got some paperwork for you for the bike.
Okay.
I'll be right back with it.
All right.
And then you can get out of here.
All right. What is this shit?
Huh?
What is this?
What? Comes with 2 puppies. All right, man.
What is this shit?
Well, you're all good. You're set to go. On the ad, it says that you got to take the puppies too.
I didn't see that in the ad. So you're telling me you had a different picture on there?
Oh, well, my wife must not have put it in the ad then.
Oh,
I mean,
who'd you learn that from? Who taught you that bullshit?
I mean, just a couple of people that I bought and sold with.
What's up with these puppies though? How come they're in the bed of the truck?
I actually don't even know where those came from.
So they're not yours?
No, not anymore. And never were. They already almost got their shots too.
I need
2 stroke.
2 stroke right there. Those are cute pups, dude. But he was all right, man. He tried to bullshit me a little, and he got a little skittish because I was driving a white pickup truck. So it took me about an hour to get him back out of the bushes. So tomorrow morning, Blake's gonna come over, and we got us a couple combatants here, and we'll see what's the better 2000 model kids quad. That's what we're trying to ask ourselves. Hey guys, be sure and like and subscribe. Check out this video tomorrow. I can already tell you what's going to happen. The Suzuki's going to dominate that Polaris. And from what I can tell, the Polaris runs a little better. It's a pretty good running Polaris, and it's a really bad running Suzuki, and the Suzuki's going to eat it up, boy. Subscribe, we're at 970. I need 30 subscribers, and one of y'all's going to win a mini bike. You got to be in the competition, so go down there, check out on the channel, and get in on it. And we're gonna get this video for you tomorrow, and maybe a mini bike update in the midst of it. But you guys will be able to at least see some carnage tomorrow morning, dual GoPro style. So we'll both have GoPros. We'll be filming it too, and it should be pretty good. But spoiler, we haven't done it yet. Suzuki's are better quads than Polarises. I said it. That's how I feel. That's what I know, and that's coming off of experience, not. And maybe I am jaded because every Polaris breaks down on the fucking trail. I mean, so you would be too if you took a Polaris out and snapped a couple axles just driving it. Imagine if your wife rode it, just putted it around, snapped some axles on it. You'd want to puke, right? But that's what happens when you drive a Polaris. You get used to disappointments and poor performance.